Hello, बच्चों. Let's read the question. The question says, write the reason for the violation of octet rule by various molecule BCl3, HCF2, NOIF7, NO2, ClF3, ClO2. So, उन्होंने इस प्रश्न में क्या पूछा है? The reason for the violation of octet rule. So, that is the reason और वॉयलेशन ऑफ ऑक्टेट रूल. इसमें की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है? वॉयलेशन ऑफ ऑक्टेट रूल. द की कॉन्सेप्ट हियर इट इज ऑक्टेट रूल. Octet rule. So what is octet rule? Octa refers to the 8. Octa means 8. So octet rule, it is an chemical rule of thumb. That means the atoms in a molecule, they tend to bond in such a way so that the valency shell, it is filled with 8 electrons. That means atoms becomes more stable when they attains 8 electrons in their valency shell, or they having 8 valency electrons. So here the reasons behind the violation of octet rule. So the reasons behind the violation of octet rule, that is the first important reason, that is that odd electron molecules. So the first reason here it is odd electron molecule. That means the odd number of electrons around the atoms. For example, odd electron molecules NO, NO2. Odd means odd number of electrons around the molecule. For example, NO, NO2, ClO2, etc. For example, the Lewis dot structure for NO. So this is the Lewis dot structure. So whenever we count around the nitrogen atom, how many electrons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how many electrons are present? 7 electrons around nitrogen. Even though oxygen having 8 electrons, nitrogen having the 7 electrons, that means it having the odd number of electrons. So this is the first reason why the violation of octet rule. Then coming to the second reason, it is electron deficient molecules. Electron deficient molecules. This is the second violation rule. Electron deficient molecule. That means the compounds having less than 8 electrons. So the compounds are molecules, they are having less than 8 electrons. Less than 8 electrons around atom in the molecule. For example, the most common example, BeCl2. So whenever we see BeCl2 around the beryllium, only 4 electrons are present around beryllium. So it is a electron deficient. BF, BCl3. BCl3. One more example, BCl3. So then coming to the third violation rule. Third violation rule, that is more electrons, expanded valency shell. So third violation rule, expanded valency shell or expanded valency shell molecule. That means they having more than 8 electrons. They having the more than 8 electrons in their valency shell due to the presence of empty d orbitals. What they having? More than 8 electrons. For example, PF5. So for example, PF5. So whenever we count electrons around the phosphorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 electrons, that is more than 8 electrons. So these are the three reasons for the violation of octet rule by various molecules. That is what is the first reason? That is the final answer here. It is what are the reason? Odd electron molecule. The final answer here it is odd electron molecule. Second one, electron deficient molecules. Third one, expanded valency. Expanded valency molecules. Hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you so much.